Hi traders, welcome. So today is 22nd of June 2020. We are now live day trading for mini S&P futures 500 September contract 2020. In this video I will show you how I do day trading for US session. So time now is 10:30 a.m. New York time, and Chicago time is 9:30 a.m. in the morning. Alright, so we just received one buy signal order, which is to go long at 1394.75 and 31.01 is the exit targeted. Okay, so based from the current situation, this one is from my crude oil already fill with 190 US dollar in profit. So you can watch it in different video in my the YouTube channel as well. Okay, so as for now, we wait for the order to be filled, and we have indicate the TP as well as the stop loss. Alright, so while waiting, we'll pause this video and resume later on once there is a bigger move on the market and the order already been filled. We'll resume later on. Alright traders, resume back again. So at this moment, order have not yet been filled. We're still waiting, and there's quite a huge pullback over here can be seen, and there's more likely that the market will burst further up. There's a high chance for us for this bullish movement, so looks easy for this trade, but not sure what will happen. But please watch this video to the end, and we can see whether this will be a good trade or not. And there will be extension TP to the to this, where is the line, support line somewhere at sorry, not support line, the resistance line at 31.15. So let's wait and see. Hopefully things will get accordingly. Alright traders, resume back again. So order has been filled, so now working towards the TP direction. So we have an extension of 31. Looks good at this moment, so that's good. Okay, order fill, TP extension, I just included 3108. Okay, that's it. So now we are waiting for the profit to reach higher. So at this moment we have a profit around 175 US dollar in profit. So looks good at this moment, looks good. So I hope everything will go smoothly. Okay, so we'll live recording this video, and hopefully without the voice, and hopefully we can see this the TP. So hopefully you can capture everything's live recording. So I will mute, so let the recording for everything to do the thing. Alright, so let's resume back again. So this moment we have made a profit. So you can see there's a triangle over here. This is my exit. So I have live recorded everything by muting my sound and voice, but total profit for today is 412 US dollar.